Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect a Namecheap domain to Bolt.new. So, in order to do this, simply open your project in Bolt.new. Go to Settings, gear icon at the top right, choose Server Functions and select Domains and Hosting. Now, on this page, you'll have to simply click Add Custom Domain and enter your desired domain like www.yourdomain.com. Bolt will give you a CNAME target, usually something like cname.bolt.new. Keep this open for the next step. Now, navigate to namecheap.com, navigate to dashboard and choose domain list. Now, click manage under your domain list that you want to connect. Then open the advanced DNS settings and access your DNS records. Now, click add new record and fill it in as follows. After you do this, save your changes and this will connect your www version of your domain to your Bolt site. Now, to make sure people who type just yourdomain.com without www reach your site, scroll to the redirect domain section and create a new redirect that will look something like this and save the redirect. Now, go back to Bolt.new and select setting, select domain, click verify next to your added domain and it may take 10 to 20 minutes for the DNS changes to propagate fully. Once verified, visit your site in your browser and your Bolt.new site should now load live under your custom Namecheap domain. And that's it. Your Namecheap domain is now successfully connected to your Bolt.new. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.